Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your vibration settings on your iPhone so that when you get a message or a call, it's going to sound or vibrate differently. So we're going to go to settings right here, or swipe down from the middle of your screen, type in settings and select the icon right here. And now we're going to scroll down right here where it says sounds and haptics. Click there, and as you can see, we have our first options which say vibrate on ring or vibrate on silent. You can activate or deactivate both of them however you like. Regarding the way the iPhone actually vibrates when you get a notification or a call, it all depends on this. Now let's go to ringtone right here, select that, and the first option says vibration, and as you can see it's set on SOS. If I click on that and I hit SOS, my current selection, it's going to vibrate in a certain way. Now if I select, I don't know, rapid, it's going to vibrate on another way. This way you can select the one you want, and you can even customize it right here. It says create new vibration. Hit it, and by tapping here you can actually create your own pattern, like so. Tapping, 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 and stop. So as you can see right there, the little gray lines, those are the taps that I created. Okay, so I'm going to play it. It's not going to sound right now, but as you can see, this little circle is showing us how it's going to vibrate. And then if you want to save this, just click here, it says save, and let's give this a name for this test. Let's save it. Okay, so as you can see right now on the custom section, here appears the one we just made. It says test, and we can select it, or if you don't want any vibration at all, you can actually select none right here. Okay, we're going to head back here, and that's it, guys. So I hope this was helpful, and please stay tuned for more episodes, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.